Hi friends, good morning. Myself Mr. V.R. Sanaf, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of KQAK Polytechnic Nasik. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the thermoplastic polymers, that is the thermoplast. So friends, thermoplastic polymers soften when heated and harden when cooled, processes that are totally reversible and may be repeated. These polymers can be heated and cooled any number of times, only they should not be heated above their decomposition temperature. These materials are normally fabricated by the simultaneous application of heat and pressure. Most linear polymers and those having some branched structures with flexible chains are thermoplastic. Some commercial available thermoplasts are polyvinyl chloride, then polyester is there, then polymethyl methacrylate, nylons, polyethylene, and acrylics. These are the some examples of the thermoplasts. Then there are some properties of thermoplastics. It is relatively soft and ductile. They are weaker and less brittle. It can be rolled as well as extruded by heating. Stiffness is low and disorder under stress. These are highly plastic and are easy for molding or shaping. They have a low melting point and are not strong as the thermosetting plastics. Since they can be repeatedly used, they have a resale value. Then there are some uses, or we can say applications. It is used in plastic wall and floor tile, in fluorescent light reflector. It is also used in plastic lenses, then used for making high frequency insulator parts, for making aircraft light fixture, and used as a cast to produce gaskets and seals. Then there are five types of thermoplastic materials. So first one is the acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, that is ABS, then acrylics, nylon, polyvinyl, and polyethylene. So we will see one by one. That is first, that is ABS. So as ABS material are those containing acrylonitrile, butadiene, and styrene monomers in varying proportion both as terpolymers and blends. There are some characteristics of such material. They are tough, hard, and rigid. They are good insulator to heat. They offer good impact resistance. Then they possesses hard surface dimensional stability, chemical resistance, and heat resistance. They have low water absorption and resistance to creep. They are unaffected by water, then inorganic salts, alkalis, and many acids. Then there are some applications of this ABS material. It is used in automobile panel, radiator grills, TV cabinet and cameras, then also used in telephones, refrigerator liners, then used in extruded sheets and pipes, and as a safety helmets. Then second type of thermoplastic materials, that is acrylics. These are polymers at methyl methacrylate having trade name perspex, a group of vinyl in which the carbon atoms are attached to each other by covalent bonds in the form of long chain is called as acrylic. It can be casted or extruded easily as well as injection molded. So there are some characteristics of this acrylic material. It is hard, rigid and transparent. It possesses high impact strength. It is attracted by acetone, petrol. Then it is a transparent with excellent clarity. It is light in weight and tough. It has low abrasion resistance and low softening temperature, and it is a good electrical insulator. Then there are some applications. It is used in a sanitary wear, then fiber optics, contact lenses, sinks and baths, roof lights and domes. Also used in display sign, hospital equipments and aircraft light fixtures. Then third type of material, that is the nylon. It is also called as nylatron Nylaphyl, and plascon. It is produced by series of condensation reactions between amine and organic acids. There are many types like nylon 6, nylon 10 and nylon 11. There are some characteristics. All nylons possesses good abrasion resistance. They are very tough and strong but flexible too. They possess high impact strength. They absorb water which causes reduction in strength and impact properties. They have low coefficient of friction, excellent resistance to heat, abrasion and chemical reaction, and it is poor resistance of hot water, alcohol and ultraviolet light. There are some uses of nylons. It is used for making tire cord, then manufacture of fiber and yarn, then also use in gear, bearing, drawer sliders, machine slides, then use in clothing, rope, brush bristles and electrical equipments, and also used for making flexible tubing for conveying petrol. The next material, that is the vinyl. It is one of the alkenyl functional group. It is often called as vinylic. Vinyl group can polymerize with the help of a radical initiator or a catalyst, forming vinyl polymers. In these polymers, the double bonds of the vinyl monomers turn into single bonds and different monomers are joined by single bonds. Vinyl group does not exist in vinyl polymers. The term refers to the precursor. The same example of vinyl polymer are polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, then polyvinyl fluoride, that is PVF, and polyvinyl acetate. So there are some properties. It is a good mechanical strength, excellent chemical and water absorption resistance, rigid and flexible in nature, relatively low cost, and there are some applications. It is used in bottle, pipes, floor coverings and raincoats. The polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, the vinyl chloride are formed from hydrochloric acid, limestone and natural gas or coal. It is manufactured by addition polymerization of vinyl chloride. Polymerization is carried out in the presence of catalyst. It can be manufactured in expanded or cellular form. It is available in two forms, namely flexible and rigid. There are some applications of this polyvinyl chloride used in making cable jackets and water pipes, for lead wire insulation and chemical tubing, also used in refrigerator door gasket and corrugated roofing, also used in fabric coating and flooring and wheeling panels. There are some characteristics of polyvinyl chloride. The flexible types are strong, tear resistance and have good aging properties. The rigid type have good dimensional stability and are water resistance. It becomes soft beyond 80 degrees Celsius. It has good abrasion resistance but has low tensile strength. It offers good electrical resistance. It is clear and transparent plastic and can be colored easily. It is resistance to impact. It is self-extinguishing when ignited. Then last material, that is polyethylene. So polyethylene resin, that is hydrocarbons with at least one double bond between adjacent carbon atoms. Polyethylene are produced as three general types. Type first, that is lower density, type 2 intermediate density, type 3 higher density. There are some applications of polyethylene. It has a wide range of applications such as bags, tubes. It is also used in containers, battery parts, ice trays and packaging, for making electrical insulation, also used in milk and water bottles and packaging films. There are some characteristics of polyethylene. It is one of the highest plastics. It has an excellent resistance corrosion to chemicals. It has an excellent dielectric properties. It is tough, flexible and high electrical sensitivity. It has low cost and zero moisture absorption. It has low strength and low coefficient of friction, and it has a good color ability. Thank you.